Hi, let us work on solving a literal equation. So we solve a lot of problem for the value of x or y or z and so on. But this time we have to solve for one variable in terms of other. So they said p equals to 1 over rw plus f. So if you read the last sentence, what will be the formula if you solve for w? That's it. So basically they're saying what is the value of w? You have to make the w by itself. So write it down. What is the value of w? So first, write the equation p equals to 1 over rw plus f. So since we have to solve for w, I would like to keep the whole right side information to the left side, and I could switch the left side information to the right side. For example, if you would have a equals to b, then we could say that b equals to a. It's simple commutative properties, nothing wrong. So if 1 over rw plus f equals to p, how do you solve for w? It's like solving the equation. You remember the PEMDAS. So it's not simplifying. When you solve the equation, we always do the opposite order. Like when you solve an equation, we always cancel out the constant from the variable side. So here we're going to treat f as like a constant. So you're going to do the addition and subtraction first, then you have multiplication and division, we're going to do the second, and finally exponent. So we're going to apply them plus f, so we're going to do the inverse of plus f, so we're going to subtract f from both sides, and if you subtract f, is going to remain 1 over rw p minus f. Since we cannot add or subtract unlike terms, so it's going to remain p minus f. So now what do you do? We need to cancel out the r. So 1 times w is considered the numerator and there's invisible 1. So we could say that w over r equals to p minus f. Now we have only last thing to be done, needs to be completed. So you need to make the w by itself, so therefore you have to cancel out the r. So you could treat the left side as a fraction, so we're going to make the right side as a fraction as well by dividing by 1. Or you could think of, since w has been divided by r, we have to multiply by the r both sides, and therefore your w is going to be itself. Or you do the cross multiplication. So if I cross multiply, so w times 1 is going to be always itself. It's identity property. Anything you multiply by 1, it's remaining the same thing. So your w times 1 is w equals to r times p minus f. That's it. So w equals to r parenthesis p minus f. So this is the best way to do it. Again, we're going to follow the same process of solving equation. We're going to cancel out the constant. We're going to cancel out f. Then we're going to times by r. But we switch the right side information to the left side and the left side to the right side. Thank you.